Home Remedies presents
Mix black seed oil with honey. Watch 11 problems disappear in 7 days. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations called black seed oil the cure for everything except death. But here's the secret most people missed. When you combine it with raw honey, the benefits multiply. Together, they can help address 11 common health problems that often appear after 60. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, from which city and country are you watching my video today? Have you ever tried black seed oil before? Problem 1. Prostate health. Ingredients. 1/2. 1 teaspoon black seed oil and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Dosage. Take nightly before bed. Effect. Calms inflammation, reduces swelling, helps restore normal bladder emptying. Problem 2. Gum disease and bad breath. Ingredients. Black seed oil diluted with coconut or olive oil plus raw honey. Dosage. Massage gently into gums before bed. Effect. Antimicrobial action fights bacteria, soothes inflamed tissue, protects teeth and heart health. Problem 3. Kidney and urinary tract health. Ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon black seed oil and 1 teaspoon honey in warm water. Dosage. Daily. Effect. Acts as a gentle diuretic, helps flush toxins, supports kidney cells, reduces stone formation. Problem 4. Autoimmune diseases. Ingredients. 500 milligrams black seed oil capsule and honey. Dosage. Twice daily. Effect. Balances immune response, reduces joint stiffness, calms inflammation without suppressing defenses. Problem 5. Varicose veins and poor circulation. Ingredients. Black seed oil and honey blend, diluted with carrier oil. Dosage. Massage into legs daily for 8 to 12 weeks. Effect. Reduces swelling, improves blood flow, supports vein health. Problem 6. Neuropathy and nerve pain. Ingredients. Diluted black seed oil and honey. Dosage. Massage into feet nightly. Effect. Antioxidant shield calms nerve irritation, reduces burning pain, improves sleep. Problem 7. Fatty liver and detoxification. Ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon black seed oil and 1 teaspoon honey. Dosage. Daily. Increase water intake. Effect. Reduces liver fat, lowers enzymes, supports detox. Problem 8. Eczema and psoriasis. Ingredients. Black seed oil and honey blend applied topically. Dosage. Daily application and internal use. Effect. Calms inflammation, soothes itching, creates healing barrier for cracked skin. Problem 9. High cholesterol and triglycerides. Ingredients. 1 teaspoon black seed oil and 1 teaspoon honey. Dosage. Daily for 3 months. Effect. Lowers LDL and triglycerides, raises HDL, supports heart health. Note. Consult your doctor if on blood thinners or blood pressure medication. Problem 10. Joint pain and arthritis. Ingredients. Pure cold-pressed black seed oil and honey. Dosage. Apply topically 3 times daily. Effect. Inhibits inflammatory pathways, reduces pain, improves mobility. Problem 11. Asthma and breathing difficulties. Ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon black seed oil and honey in warm water. Dosage. Daily. Effect. Anti-inflammatory and bronchodilator action. Opens airways, reduces wheezing and allergic triggers. But remember, black seed oil with honey is not a replacement for medication, but it's a powerful complement that can transform your health when used consistently and carefully.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.